TrainerCentral review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review TrainerCentral and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on TrainerCentral, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is TrainerCentral, it is an all-in-one online training platform designed to help educators, coaches, businesses, and training organizations to create, market, deliver, and manage learning programs from a single platform. It enables users to build self-paced courses, conduct live virtual classes and webinars, to create assessment and certifications, and track learners' progress through detailed analytics. And TrainerCentral also includes features for learner management, payment processing, branding customization, and even community engagement, making it suitable for both individuals, trainers, and organizations. And aside from that, if you already have a Zoho account, you can simply integrate it directly on our TrainerCentral. And now to sign in, just fill out the required information in here, including your name, your email address, password, and phone number to sign up. And after that, all you need to do is simply enter here the other details, including your academy name, and even it will show you the URL below here, and enter your phone number and click the continue button below. Once done, you will automatically be directed on the page where you can now start creating your own online courses using this TrainerCentral. Just click the continue button on this pop-up window, or you can close this part. It will also show us in here a video where you can also close this part. Now, as you can see on this dashboard, we have an option to take our training expertise online by start creating a course. On this pop-up window, just simply enter here the name, subtitle, and a description for these courses that we're going to make. For example, I'm going to add here a name, Accounting 101. You can even add a subtitle in here. For example, Learn the Basic. Then you can even add another kind of description in here. You can even make it bold, italic, underline, and even add a link to it, and choose your preferred font style in here. And you can even add a trainer if you want to, depending on your preferences as well. So basically, creating a course in here is important because it enables trainers, educators, and organizations to deliver a structured, engaging, and scalable learning experiences. By simply creating the course, instructors can organize lessons, videos, quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources into a clear learning path that student can access anytime and anywhere. So in here, I'm going to upload here the thumbnail for this course as an example in here. Once done, you should be able to see the result. Now on the left side panel of our course, we'll be able to see here the description and even the curriculum. By clicking on it, you can add a lesson by clicking add new lesson, add a new chapter, add a live lesson, and even add an assignment. And you can even duplicate this course if you want to. Moving on to the settings option, from here it will show you all of the settings for these courses. We have here compliance, course access, estimation, and reviews. You can even check some of the boxes in here if you want to. We have here the reward center, where you can start creating a certificate and creating a badge, where you could also upload from your computer files if you want to. Under registration, it will show you all of the fields that need by student to fill out in order to register and enroll to the course. You can even add a custom fields if you want to, such as your country, city, barcode, and any other things. Moving on, under this pricing, as you can see, currently it is free, but you can make it a one-time payment if you want to add a paid for it, a subscription plan, a payment plan, and a part payment if you want to, depending on your need as well. You can even add a drip schedule, and it will show us in here all of the reports, including our learning materials under the report section. But as you can see, since we're not uploading anything, it is currently empty, since we don't also have any learner in here or student as well. You could also navigate here discussion forum, and even to publish it, just click the publish button, then click go to sites button in here. However, it says here that your course can be only published when your academy is taken online. But that is just basically how you can start creating a new course in here. Now moving on the left side panel, you can navigate also this library in which it will show you all of your materials has been uploaded. Your recordings, your polls, images, certificate, badges, and many more. In which those are necessary to give to student once they already finish some of your courses that you offer in here. Now under sales, it will show you all of our sales orders such as the sales that you gain from selling from your customer or student on your materials that you serve or sell on your courses. Including here some of the products. As you can see, you can create a course or AI generated course, as you can see, and even a bundle or multiple course from here. So since TrainerCentral allows course creators to monitor learner progress, assess the performance through tests and certifications, and gathered insight using analytics for businesses and training institutions, creating courses also help standardize training. You can even navigate here the reports, rewards, course progress, and many more. And by choosing a template in here and creating a website, you have an option to choose a different kind of template with different layout, design. And by clicking create site button with any specific kind of template in here, you will automatically be directed on the page where you can start customizing the website depending on your preferences. So from here you can even add another kind of pages in here. It will show you the total pages, the files, blog. But to start editing it, just click the edit site button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed in here where you can start customizing everything, including some of the button, the context in here. I'm going to customize to make it sample, for example. Then you could also add another kind of layout and even kind of elements depending on your needs. We have here different kind of layouts to choose from as well, different kind of settings, and also a variety of elements. By clicking the insert button on the top left corner, you can choose different elements such as to add a text, a button, an icons, container, divider, and many more. We also have here different kind of widgets to choose from and save sections in here. But going back on our page, once done, you can click the publish site button on the top right corner to publish the website. In which creating this kind of site is important because it provides a professional online presence where learners can easily discover, access, and enroll in the training programs. A well-designed training site serves as the central hub for showcasing courses, live workshops, and even certifications, instructor profiles, pricing, and other learning resources. It allows trainers to customize their branding with their own logo, colors, domain, layout, helping establish credibility and strengthen their brand identity. So basically, using TrainerCentral is important because it provides a comprehensive platform for creating, delivering, and managing online training programs efficiently. It enables trainers, educators, and organizations to offer self-paced courses, live classes, assessments, and certifications from a single platform, making learning more accessible and engaging. And overall, that is just basically how you can use TrainerCentral. Thank you.